Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you specifically how to save your iCloud photos issue because Apple's rolling out an update right now. It will delete, I think, the photo streamline. Correct me if I'm wrong about it, and replace it with an iCloud one with a free 5 gigabytes of storage. Anyway, I'll get into it in a later video, but for now, I'm gonna teach you how to fix iPhoto storage issue, okay? That being said, with this one, please directly go to settings right here. Once you're in settings, just basically check on general tab right there, hop on software update real quickly. I just want to make sure we have the best version of iOS installed in our devices. That being said, as you can see here, iOS 16.6 is the one I have right now. Now if you're not seeing it on your end, it means that you have a more latest version, so please install it. The important part is the last sentence right there that says iOS is up to date. That's the one you want to see, okay? Now once you're going back right there, this should be the landing page of settings, right? Simply look for your name. It should be in the very top section right here, and then go to it. And then once you're here, I just want you to click on iCloud specifically. Let me hold it for a little longer so it will be highlighted for you. Once you're there inside here, simply click on Photos, right? Once you're in Photos, make sure this option right here, this little green toggle button, is synced, okay? If you're seeing it like this, for example, I'm not gonna remove it from my phone anyway. If you're seeing it as it is right now over there, that means you're not on sync on iCloud. Make sure it's turned green, you're seeing green right there. If you're seeing green, you're good to go. That means all of your photos are safe on the iCloud. That being said, that's how you fix the photo storage issue on iOS. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.